Shadow.
Drink some water.
Hey, bro, you ain't gotta lick my hair, bro.
You on the flex and the money. I ain't finna be in this.
Money. Don't pay too much for car insurance. Drivers who switch and save could save hundreds. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company.
Nobody can tell. Some folks switched up, oh well. All my niggas bossed up, we good. Going up, need to get his own film. Got my weight up, I didn't go to no chill. Talk to the tuck, you gon' knock on some love. I want all the smoke, hit the shit, you in hell. I couldn't feel pain. Smack like a pump, we on the scale. Those cats are boring, they come through the mail. My son is foreign, he reaches the bill. My friend locked up and he trap out his cell. Your girl is a whore, the gang. Shooter, head shots, pop it, pop. Got a ducky, y'all got to fight. Trouble, yeah, my nigga got to fucking chill. Yeah, beat, cuff, cut, take, quiet.
You know the boss to call it. Nigga say
On the way to go get my brake line.
You know that nigga lost. Nigga on the biggest bird, been rapping 1 year straight up.
Finna be broke as fuck. Alright, so y'all with Bay today. Which it's not different because y'all with Bay every day. So, but before I get started and tell y'all what we doing for the day, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you. And boy, your lips looking fucked up. Like, comment, and subscribe, bro. Like, comment, and subscribe, bro. That's all I need. For you to like, comment, and subscribe. I really need you to subscribe. But I'm in the middle of fixing my motherfucking car. As you can see. Not really fixing, I'm trying to figure out what the problem is. I think it's the brake lines, because I heard them bitches bust the other day in the middle of traffic. Nigga almost died. But it is what it is. It is what it is. So yeah, I'm finna go ahead and take this bitch out. I got my shit already set up. Jack up under here. All I gotta do is start jacking. Yeah, start jacking. No homo. Alright, bro. Alright, so 5 minutes in. And I'm really about tired as fuck. Cause y'all see what I gotta do? I gotta do this. I ain't got no real jack. Nothing like that. I gotta do this. So I took my motherfucking shit off. And it seems like this side brake line's still intact. Which is straight. But that means which one of these bitches fucked up? That's the question.